Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect Bluetooth device with IQOO 9 Pro smartphone. So without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to enter into the settings. Then you need to select Bluetooth and devices. Then you need to click on the Bluetooth. Now click pair new devices. Now we need to enable or turn on the Bluetooth device. So I turn on the Bluetooth device. Now waiting to connect. So in some models you need to enter the pairing mode. So I push my Bluetooth device into the pairing mode by pressing the center key of that. Now it's entered into the pairing mode. So this is a Oppo Enco M32. You need to select on that. Now the Oppo M32 is connected to our phone. So with this method you can connect the Bluetooth device with your IQOO 9 Pro smartphone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.